What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we get the new 2024 Polestar 3, an electric SUV with a high starting price of $84,000 but with 510 horsepower. Now the Polestar 3 is an all-electric alternative to conventional luxury SUVs like the Porsche Cayenne. And now this is our first chance to see it from every angle and to find out exact tech details ahead of its next year's on sale date. Now the 3 is Polestar's biggest car, sharing its platform with the next generation Volvo XC90 and riding on a 117.5-inch 2,985mm wheelbase. Now that makes it 3.5 inches, 90mm longer between axles than a Cayenne and 0.8 inches, 20mm longer than a Tesla Model X. Now it's also Polestar's priciest car yet. The entry-level car costs £79,900 in the UK, $83,900 in America, and that compares to £73,800, $86,500 for the Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid. Now the base Polestar 3 comes with a rear-wheel bias all-wheel drive courtesy of a dual motor setup that sends 483 horsepower, 489 PS, and 620 pound-feet, 840 newton-meters to the ground via a single gear ratio for a 0 to 62 or 100 kilometer time in 5 seconds. That figure only matches the time for the 456 horsepower, 462 PS Cayenne, but Polestar's secret weapon is the 5,600 pound, 6,500 EST power pack that lifts output to 510 horsepower, 517 PS, and 671 pound-feet, 910 newton-meters, and cuts the sprint to 4.7 seconds. In the EPA conversion of the 379 miles or 610 kilometer WLTP range that Polestar quotes for the standard 111 kilowatt battery is the only power pack available. Now the Polestar battery can be charged up to 250 kilowatts, which isn't as fast as some recent electric cars, including Porsche's Taycan EV, which can juice up at 360 kilowatts, but it's still pretty rapid. And Polestar says that the lithium-ion pack is housed in a protective aluminum case with barren steel reinforcement and liquid cooling, and features a standard heat pump that can be used for climate functions and battery preconditioning. It's also set up for vehicle-to-grid charging. Now, an adjustable one-pedal driving mode is standard, as is torque vectoring on the rear axle, whose motor can be deactivated in certain circumstances to save energy. Dual-chamber air suspension is also part of the basic package, and the movement of 21-inch stock wheels is being controlled by the adaptive dampers. Now go for the optional performance pack, and in addition to the extra 27 horsepower, 28 PS, you get a different tune for the air springs and 22-inch forged alloy wheels. Now visually, the 3 borrows heavily from Polestar's Precept concept, particularly at the front, whose defining feature is a horizontal spoiler mounted above the shallow grille and connecting the 2 LED headlamp units. And though the overall family look has to be adopted to suit the taller body, this is definitely a sleek and sporty SUV, as the roofline stands only 63.5 inches, 1,614 millimeters from the ground compared to the 66.8 inches, 1,696 millimeters for the Cayenne hybrid. Now the interior is decked out in sustainable materials like traceable wool and is the first Polestar model with an NVIDIA Drive core computer to power its driver assistance systems. The 3 also features Snapdragon computing behind its Google co-developed 14.5-inch center display. Now standard equipment includes a panoramic roof and retractable door handles, but all first-year cars can get the Plus Pack and Pilot Pack as standard, bringing a 25-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system, soft-closing doors, head-up display, and pilot assist semi-autonomous driving. Now come next spring, a Pilot Pack with LiDAR will join the options list. It's additional to the NVIDIA control unit, 3 cameras, and 4 ultrasonic sensors, providing a more complete and accurate scan of the car's environment, making it ready for more advanced autonomous driving. But even the launch model has 5 radar modules, 5 external cameras, and 12 external ultrasonic sensors. One innovative function is the interior radar sensor that can detect tiny movements in the interior of the car to help protect against accidentally leaving children or pets inside. Now, the first batch of Polestar 3s will be built in Volvo's China facility and should arrive with North American, European, and Chinese customers getting them in late 2023. And by the middle of 2024, the 3s will also be rolling out of Volvo's South Carolina factory. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new Polestar 3 and compared to its rival, Porsche Cayenne e-hybrid? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 2024 Polestar E electric luxury XUV. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. Now you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want to do t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.